Okay, that one's loose. Now I gotta get it in there.
Is the line cut on that one? Well, that's a long way down. That's a long